Look at these leaves. See those strange green bumps? They're not fruits, and they're not seeds. What do you think they are? Stay to the end, I'll explain, and also tell you what tree this is. On the same branch, tiny dark purple flowers are opening. Hard to believe these delicate blooms grow right next to those weird bumps, right? Any guesses so far? Here's a closer look at a single flower, white and soft pink, almost like a pea flower. This tree is full of surprises. Now notice the ant on the stem. Insects love this tree. Could they be the reason for those bumps on the leaves? Think about it. After flowering, the tree makes these long, thin green pods. Now you've seen the bumps, the flowers, and the pods. Enough clues to guess the tree? Those bumps on the leaves are most likely leaf galls, swollen spots formed when tiny insects or mites trigger the leaf to grow around them. And the tree you've been watching is the leaf galls. Did you guess it right? Tell me in the comments.